guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, make sure you click on the subscription button before leaving, and if you found this video helpful, why not giving it a thumbs up? Okay, and also if you want to see like more videos or any other thing at all, just let me know in the description section and I'll make sure to attend to that. All products used will be listed in the description section down below, so make sure you check it out. And I decided to recreate this hairstyle for my natural hair sister, those with the short hairs and the TWAs. Like, I got you. Okay, make sure you check it out. This hairstyle is ideal for work, for church, for school, for everywhere, parties, like everywhere. So if you want to see how I was able to come up with this hairstyle, then keep watching. Make sure that the kinky hair you are using matches your hair color so that no one notices you've had some extensions in. for this style, guys, it's so simple and easy to do. Like literally everybody can do it. It took me like 30 minutes to do this whole hair. And oh, by the way, if you have longer hair, longer natural hair than mine, your part will come out nice and better. Alright guys, so that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you learned something from it and found it helpful. I'm still in for corrections, I'm still in for suggestions. You can leave it in the description section, like anything at all. If you feel like there was something that I was supposed to do and I didn't do it right, like don't come like what should I even say, don't come for me, okay? Just leave it down below and I'll make sure to correct myself next time. Alright, so thank you all. As always, stay fast, stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.